On your Ocean dashboard, you click on Run a Job. Then here is the environment where you will choose the kind of node you want to run. And after you see the one you like, you change it from USDC to the compile token. Here is where you pick the resources that is best for the node you want to run. You can change it and edit it to anyone you like. Then this is the cost. Then you press continue. Here is the payment, the estimate payment. Then you want to deposit your compile token. You see, deposit has been successful. Then you want to press authorize. Here is where you will generate an authenticator token for your job. Then you can open VS Code or any other editor you have. Now we are inside VS Code. I have already installed the Ocean Orchestrator, as you can see here. You will create a new project folder for your job. And you select the folder and you want to add py here because I'm using Python as my language. And then you want to run compute job. Then as you can see the status, the job has started running. As you can see down here, you can stop your job or edit or download your result here.